Rich, tell everybody a little bit about yourself, how you got into the industry, and why I like to refer to you as the king of fraud.
I started my first internet business in 93. It was a newsletter. I did a lot of different things in the space for a period of time and kind of settled into building my own ad network, which had affiliates and clients. And I was using two different platforms that we had built to connect everybody. And in the very, very beginning, we launched a company in 2003. About 2004, I noticed some issues with the traffic anomalies, let's call it. And I knew what it was. I had fraud before in my past, some other companies I was working on, and I knew what it looked like. And I'm like, you know what? I don't want to solve fraud. I just want to be the guy that's going to build my network. I'm just going to go find another solution, bolt it onto my platform, and go about my day because to me, that's the perfect product for what I needed. But in 2004 and 5, as I was looking, nothing existed. In fact, the first commercially available fraud solution didn't come out until like 2008, 9. So I'm a developer. I've been writing code since I'm 8 or 9 years old. I actually wrote my first game when I was 9, got published when I was 12. So I was one of those guys. Coding just came easy to me. So I'm like, you know what? I can solve this problem. So I wrote code, solved the problem. First iteration of the code was under 100 lines of code. Piece of cake, simple, and it squashed the fraud and did a great job until it didn't. And then I realized, fraud is going to continue to evolve. So I had to continue evolving the platform. And we were just using it for our own platform. Like we didn't want to sell the platform. We didn't want to license it. We just thought it was good for us. But I started having clients say, hey, I want to be able to use your technology outside of your network because you're crushing it. But again, I want other channels of marketing, not just yours. And I need to be able to buy because I need the volume. After the fifth or sixth or the seventh person asking, it's like, you know what, this might be a good idea. We did in 2015 a year-long study on how we compared to other solutions because I don't want to build another platform, another team together, build it out, support clients if we didn't offer something special. So we did like a year-long study, found out that, oh, wow, we actually did a better job and learned some interesting things that not all fraud solutions are created equal. And so we realized we had a better solution in our mind based on the things that we looked at and the things that were important to us as an affiliate manager at the time. So we decided to roll it out. And when everything was said and done, it was 2017. We rolled out Anura as a standalone fraud solution. So now, if you're that kind of person who just wants to focus on your business and just wants to bolt on a product, we now have that product.